Hey guys, BT Best Military Resume. So I'm going to show you how to create a conventional resume. So these are resumes used for everything other than federal. Federal being jobs that are on usajobs.gov and used to get into the federal government. So this is for everything else. So these are your regular resumes. So once you're set up with your base resume here, you come over to My Resumes. And down here you'll have your federal resumes on top and your conventional on the bottom. So you click Start a New Conventional Resume. And so this works the same way as the federal, where there's two boxes here. The first one is to input the URL for the job announcement. In the event that the system isn't able to pull that information out of the URL from that site, you can manually paste in the job description and qualifications here. And so reasons that it's not able to pull that is sometimes there are sites with multiple job postings on the same page, things like that. So this is here for you. So let's go ahead and do it this way, just to show you. So for this one, maybe we'll just take the responsibilities here. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy them, paste them in here. You don't have to worry about the formatting or anything like that. As long as it has the text in here, it will be good to go. So let's see if there's anything else. Bachelor's degree, computer science. We're going to take some of these as well and copy them. Do the same thing. We're going to paste them in here, and that's more than enough information to tailor this resume to this job. So we're going to click Build Our Resume. Since we did it manually down here, we're going to click the Build My Resume down here. And the same thing, we're going to add in a title. And this is going to be the title of the PDF that we're going to produce. So it's going to be our first name, last name, and then this title. So make sure that it's kind of the title for this job here. So Information Management Specialist. So we're going to do that. And we're going to save it. And so these are a little bit different than the federal resumes because they're a little bit more dynamic. There's lots of flavor that goes into this. So the first thing that we want to take care of is our skills section in our resume. So we're going to generate suggested skills. And what this is going to do is pull out a bunch of keywords from the job announcement, from that data that we gave it. And what you're going to do is pick the ones that you like that are going to be relevant. And what this is going to do is, if there are any ATS trackers, they're going to run it through looking for keywords and things like that. It's definitely going to hit that. The second thing is, for this type of resume, for these conventional resumes, you want to have some eye-catching, relevant skills that the recruiters and HR are immediately going to see. And so you can do 3 rows, so up to 9 skills. And they're going to make these nice rows of 3. And we're just going to make 2 rows here, just to give you an idea of what it looks like later. And so these are just going to be short keywords that are highly relevant to the job announcement. And so since all of those are saved down here, we're going to keep going down and we're going to work on our professional summary. So the professional summary is very simple. You click Generate AI Version. It's going to marry up the two, your base resume information to the job announcement. Make sure you look through these. You can shorten it up if you'd like. Make sure it's highly relevant, but this is going to give you a great start for your professional summary. Going down to your work experience, so there are a few different options here that I want to go over. So the rewrite only is going to be, as you can see here, this is the federal resume format, and we want to rewrite it for the conventional resume, right? So we click rewrite only, and what it's going to do is it's going to quantify everything. It's going to shorten it all up and make these nice little bullet points that are quantified for us. So we're going to accept and save that. Very quick to do. The next one I want to go over is light. So light is for experience that isn't directly related to the job announcement, but sometimes you have related details in there. And so by pressing light, it's going to bring over a few of those details over into your resume. And the next one we're going to do down here is heavy. So heavy is when you have job experience that is highly related to the job posting, and you want to make sure to bring over as many details as possible from that job posting because your experience is already highly relevant to it. So you click heavy, and it's going to bring over a lot of those details and give you these quantified bullet points based on your work experience. And there's one more down here. This is the AI rewrite, tailor, and bold. So this is basically heavy over here, plus bolding those keywords for you. So it's taking some of these keywords, making them bold, and this is just kind of a recruiter tip trick to basically highlight the relevant information in these bullet points. So once you have gone through and done all of your work experience, you can come down here and click export to PDF. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring it over into this conventional resume. You're going to have your header information up here. It's going to automatically download for you. You're going to have a link to your LinkedIn up here, which is clickable. So when you send your PDF resume out to, a recruiter or hiring manager, or you apply for a job, there's this link in here if you set it up in your base resume, and it will lead them directly to your LinkedIn account. So going down, you see our professional summary, the skills below that, and then it goes down into our work experience, and then education, certifications, any awards that you have, languages, anything from your base resume. So make sure you have that education certifications in there. Those are very important. And now you can apply to those jobs with your brand new tailored resume.